Myntri Rangbah keri Narendra Modi hene kesengi ula Plie ya ke Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar campaign. Ha keri kaban ai jing mentoy ya ki lakmut kilong kemi bat ki kena kan thai bahkan ai jing arab ha ke jing tas ya ke jing pang shini ke jing pang pampong jing dunas nam tibi bat ha ke jing sumar ha ke por pun bat kha khun. Ya kani ke campaign la Plie Prad Hadhar district Madhya Pradesh kaban beteng hadu ke artarek Risau. Myntri Rangbah keri Narendra Modi hene kesengi ula Plie ke Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar campaign ha keri kaban ai jing hantoi ki lakmut kilong kemi bat ki khna kan thai bat kan ai jing arab ha ka jing tas ya ka jing pangshini bampong jing dunas nam tb bat ha ka jing sumar ha ka por pun bat kha khun ya kani ka campaign la Plie Prad Hadhar district Madhya Pradesh kaban beteng hadu ka atrik Risau.
इस अभियान के तहत बीपी हो, डायबिटीज हो, एनीमिया टीबी हो या कैंसर जैसी भयंकर बीमारी की संभावना हो, इन सब की जांच की जाएगी.
Kajila Meghalaya ru kalaya shimenta ha kani kajing recommend ka Plie ka campaign ha keling ke district menta kesengi ulat kajila u CH Vijaya Shankar lapanya ya kajing Plie ya ka Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan ha kajila Haraj Bhavan. Ulat ula om ba kajila ka netrela bat ka sarkar pedeng halor ka jing thmu ban penyo ya kilong yi ki bakwat bakhya bat ka imlang sa alang ka bakhlan.
This program, 50 days program, should be celebrated as a festival in Meghalaya. It should be a festival, like a festival. How we are going to celebrate festival? Likewise, only this program for 50 days program should be taken up in that way.
Hawas Garo Hills lapanlong ya ka program nagbantaban Plie ya ketika campaign ha District Maternity and Child Hospital Hatura habaro RTO ki banwan on kentil ya ki rukom ajing sumar ki babiang lengba ki cam ha ki hospital ki bala register bat ka Ayushman Bharat ka West Garo Hills District Medical and Health Officer Dr. Yvonne M. Sangmai Loong makani ka sin jam ka phai khmat halor ka bam kadi ka babha bat ka jing sumar ban ai jingada.
This Abhiyan, envisioned by the Honorable Prime Minister and led by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, comes at the most opportune moment as our nation takes decisive steps towards building a healthy woman, empowered family and a Vikshit Bharat by 2047. This is the guiding principle of today's campaign, being launched in convergence with Poshan Month, with a focus on nutrition, fitness and preventive health.
Hawas Jante Hills District u Myntri katanar ka kwat kya uba thamai uba wailat miki shilla ula Plie ya ketika campaign ha MCH Hospital Panalyar Jawai uba shilla ula penpaw ya kajing sungkhya halo kajing kio ha kajing bu jing khen ya ki long keme ki ba armet ki ba mat ya ki jing e.
So happy and honored to launch the program called Swasth Nari Sashakt Parivar Abhiyan in our beloved district of West Indian district. I declare that this program is launched today.
Mentang ini pet ya kajing long jingman